right body ain't cut. Oh, right body ain't cut. Oh, right body ain't cut. Oh, right body ain't cut. Where were you at? Touching me back and the good too long. And the hot, and the cat, and the good, and the good too, and the go, and the good goes way. And the music, and I listen to what I got to say. Right. And do what I want. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, pressing it. No, it right body ain't good. Girl, it right body ain't good. Girl, it right body ain't good. Girl, it right body ain't good. Where were you at? Texting me back when it took too long. And if I heard, and I go, and I know, 23, 24, 25, 24, 24, 500 we're missing. Where were you at? Doesn't mean back and I got you. Mm-hmm. I'm trying to figure out which low, which real quarter and low they're playing out from. Because if I look at this, honestly, that real low that I would be personally be thinking about will be here. I would be looking there before that real low. But I'm also looking at this bullish move, and I can low-key see price reacting up here, but let's see what it looks like. Let me see your ass. Rain, outside with yeah. Ain't got out the window, let it by. That's a so. If I'm looking at the daily, is this the 113? Yep. If I'm looking at the daily here, this is a daily 113 reversal point. Boom, boom. But I don't think that's the real move. I think they might drop it down a little bit more. We are in Shaboot, yo. All right, but yeah, I'm not trading Nas. I'm looking at it. I can look see it pulling down deeper. All right, okay. So gold overall move. We've been catching it pretty nicely. Overall, they're still in this uptrend. There's a weekly gap here. I didn't even I didn't even see this before. Here we got a weekly gap here, so we'll probably. I do see gold still pushing higher. We could see some type of reaction here where price could raise to a higher low. But overall, I see gold trending back higher. Yeah, I don't expect gold to come back and attack this low. We've already came in this zone right here at my golden level on the weekly. I see it coming back up and completing the zero. Of course, it's going to take some time. This is on the higher time frame, weekly and 3 day, 1 day, and so on. But this weekly, we got this weekly FEG here. Yep. Okay. So I still see gold, of course, pushing back higher. But since we got this weekly gap here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go drop down to my 15 minute, like I will be entering a play. But I'm just gonna drop down to my 15 minute. I can look at my MACD, and I can also see how where price is kind of trending for an entry point. So what I mean by that is usually if I'm looking for an entry point, I took this trade this morning here. I was able to catch this getting ready for work actually. If I'm looking usually when I'm looking for an entry, I run my low, my mid, my high. Sorry if this all sounds gibberish to you unless you be joining my lives. Like but usually when I run my field for my low, my mid, and my high, this is where I caught this play as well. Price came in my zone, caught that play. Then I was able to catch this play using the same low to the recent high. You don't use this low, you use this back into your golden level zone here. Boom. Price came here. We got in here. I posted it too, so it should be on my TikTok. Posted it here. Not posted it. Enter. Continue. Okay. Okay. So I will be looking for the same thing. So my low, since we've been taking all these highs, swing highs, my last two candle pullback will be here. Hold on. But don't this look like accumulation here? Here, right here. Hold on. Getting resistance closer to this 261. Yep. I just want to see something. Mm-hmm. Looking at this is like AMD right here. This is like accumulation here. Yeah, I'll be looking at something like this right here. All right, we just gonna let this keep expanding back higher into this weekly FPG. I'm waiting for another drop to enter back into a low. That's what I'm waiting for. Mm-mm-mm. This would be that low here, huh? But this will like equal highs. Yeah. Me looking here. All right. I'm just waiting on a pullback now on gold. I would just be waiting on this pullback to go back in on a long. So that's what I'm waiting for. Yeah, that's really it. Honestly, I really just wanted to like. I really just wanted to come on like really quickly just to give my analysis, and that's really what I think. Overall moves still bullish, but waiting for this pullback to get back in. So yeah, yeah, go. We could keep pushing up before that pullback down, but don't get FOMO. Wait till you see a clear entry. I'm waiting for my pull down again, then I'm gonna get back in there. What's the difference between day trading and scalping? Scalping is a type of day trading like strategy. Day trading is the actual act, like football or basketball. That's the actual act. So day trading is the actual act of trading. Day trading. You can swing trade. Swing trade is like long period of time, not day to day trading. But this is day trading. But scalping is like a day trading strategy. Like I'm scalping, so I might go down to the lower time frame for an entry, a 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute. Like I might be scalping this player, getting a going fine tuning, going in small. I want to learn fast pace, like quick, like 5 minute trade. It don't work like that. I want to learn fast pace, like quick, like 5 minute train. Okay, like you probably, I don't know. You kind of saying two different things at once, but, but I get you though. I get you, bro. It's not easy. I mean, like it always helps learning the right things correct, like in the beginning of your training journey, of course. Oh, what's just that next hard load? Oof. Go chill. But that's what all I had, y'all. Oh, oh man. But all right, y'all. I appreciate y'all.